Welcome to Instruqt Tutorials. In this video, we'll discuss how to create a track using the Instruqt CLI. First up, let's prepare. We advise you to download a good code editor like Visual Studio Code. Go ahead and download the application now. We also recommend downloading the Markdown All-in-One extension, so we'll download and install that. Now let's get to creating. First thing we'll need to do is go to our terminal and log in to Instruqt. Go ahead and type in Instruqt auth login and then enter. You'll be redirected to a web page where you'll enter your credentials. Let's do that now. Okay, we're logged in properly and are prompted to select our organization. Now we're ready to create our track. Type Instruqt track create. I'm going to call this My Track. We're given the option to create a track with a pre-made template or from scratch. We'll type 1. If this output appears, then you've successfully created your track. We should see a directory in our Explorer bar with the name My Track. Let's push our track to see that everything is working. Type Instruqt track push. And it looks like a success. We can see the track URL in the output here. If we click on it, we're brought to our Creator Studio where the track lives. Great job! For more information about creating a track, head to our documentation page.